Welcome to Southwest Diagnostic Imaging Center's referring portal. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the home page where you'll select your provider's name from the Provider Selection tab. Next, you'll select the time frame using the Date Range tab. The default selection is this month. To search all your patient's records, select All Far Away. If you're searching for a specific patient record, simply type their last name into the Patient Last Name text box. A key feature that might get overlooked is if your patient has had prior imaging services at Southwest Diagnostic, you can find them using the All Patient Search option. Click the All Patient Search radio button near the top left and select criterion you're looking for. Enter the requested data in the text boxes and select Search. You will need to agree to the HIPAA security notice to complete the search. Now let's look at the patient records. Once you've located your patient, you can see the appointment date and time of their visit, which exam they had performed or have scheduled, and you can see their exam status, which could be pending scheduling, scheduled, completed, final, addendum, or even canceled. To the left of your patient's name, you will see 4 square buttons with icons. The blue icon will take you to the finalized images where you can view them in our image viewer. The white paper icon will take you to the finalized report. Here, you can read the report. However, you can also print or email the report. You can also download the report as a PDF and index into your own medical records. The black magnifying icon allows you to search for any other scans your patient has had at Southwest Diagnostic. The green plus icon allows you to quickly order another exam for your patient, and it will auto-populate the demographics section for you. If you ever need technical assistance, select Resources under your name in the upper right corner for the phone number and email to our full access and support department. Thanks for watching.